Shrimp boils are very popular in Southern cooking and make for a delicious one-pot meal. Shrimp boils are really indigenous to the Lowcountry of South Carolina, whereas crayfish or crawfish are a Louisiana specialty. But we're going to do a shrimp boil today since that's the subject of our show, and we have to make a fragrant kind of broth first. Some lemons, and squeeze in 2 lemons into 5 quarts of boiling water. And just add the peels too. You want the flavorful boiling liquid if you can possibly get it. 4 cloves of garlic, peeled and smashed. 2 medium or large onions peeled and put right into the water. And just bring it to a simmer. So the key to this authentic and delicious shrimp boil is to create a spicy brew in which to cook the shrimp. You can buy some really great combinations of spices and just dump them in here. But if you want to make your own, here is a good way to start. We're going to start with a tablespoon of red pepper. I'm making a cheesecloth bundle. And we have a tablespoon of mustard seeds. A couple bay leaves. Crushed, they'll equal about a tablespoon. And 6 whole allspice berries. 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. And 1 tablespoon of dill seed. Now that'll give you a nice fragrant mix. And if you like, you can sort of crush all this a little bit with a big fat rolling pin. Okay, I think that will be a fragrant mix. Tie this like this to seal in all those spices and then secure it with a piece of twine. And drop it into the water. So now we're ready to start cooking 3 pounds of small potatoes, little potatoes. All those spices and the onions and the lemon will infuse the water. Now bring this to a boil, reduce the heat to a simmer, and simmer for 10 minutes. So I am shucking some corn, about 8 or 10 ears are good, and we're going to put it right into a very fragrant potato boil. They've been cooking for 10 minutes. Take a peek. Oh, very nice. Yum. Get as much of the silk off the corn as you can, and just break it in half. And the corn has to go in now for 5 minutes. And I'll bring that up to a boil again, and boil partially covered for 5 minutes. I'm melting some butter and just mixing it simply with my favorite hot sauce. Look at the great color that corn is becoming. Butter and sugar corn. And now add your shrimp. 3 pounds, tails on, shells on. And make sure they get submerged in the broth. Very important. Cover again, partially. And I think our butter is melted. Yes. And we'll make 2 ramekins of the spicy butter. That smells really good. So now our shrimp boil is done. And I am straining some of this broth through a fine sieve. And it's nice to serve that too in ramekins around the shrimp boil itself. So a shrimp boil like this is perfectly suited for casual outdoor entertaining. Spread your table with newspaper, find some paper napkins and some bibs, and feed that crowd.